What are common injuries you see as a result of auto wrecks in New Orleans? The attorneys at Robichaux Law Firm, LLC explain. Spinal cord injuries and concussions are the most common injuries in automobile accidents. Even with seatbelts and airbags, vehicle collisions often result in an injury to the neck and upper back. Often, concussions can occur as a result of the whipping action caused by the impact. Injuries to the neck and back can be mild and temporary in nature, particularly if they only affect muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Injuries such as these often resolve over the course of weeks or months, with the speed of recovery assisted by medical attention, such as therapy, medications, and other helpful modalities. Unfortunately, injuries to the spinal column can be more serious, involving bulging and/or herniated discs, which can impinge on the nerves in the spinal column, causing severe pain and numbness and/or tingling sensations to the upper or lower extremities. Injuries such as these can be very serious and have long-term consequences. They should be evaluated by competent medical professionals, and proper diagnostic testing should be performed to determine the extent of the injuries and whether or not surgical intervention is required. Head injuries can be potentially serious, and concussions should be closely monitored to rule out mild traumatic brain injury, which can cause many problems, including, but not limited to, memory deficits, headaches, forgetfulness, lack of impulse control, and other problems. Internal injuries and fractures can also occur as a result of automobile accidents, and it is very important when evaluating cases to make sure that the injured party is referred to the appropriate specialist that can best diagnose and treat the injuries. The experienced attorneys at the Robichaux Law Firm, LLC, work together to form a diverse team of lawyers with the professional expertise and knowledge necessary to handle your case.